my beautiful JAFRA beauties. I hope that you guys are ready today because we are going to talk about our new, but it's limited time, rose gold. And for that, I have my special guest with me, Mayam Lillard, because she knows a lot of our products. Hi, Mayam. How are you?
Hi, Moni. I'm great. Thank you. I'm so excited to be here again with you guys to talk about our skincare innovation of the month, which I know you guys are all loving because I've gotten a lot of good comments and a lot of good feedback so far, but it's our Royal Jelly Rose Gold 5-in-1 Micellar Water. So let's kick it off because I know you guys are dying to get into it. So give me just a second. I'm going to share my screen and share with sound. Alrighty. So let's do it. All right. All right, we're good. We can see the screen. Everything's good?
Everything's good.
Perfect. Love it. All right, so let's get started. So today we are introducing a beautiful limited edition, big on the limited edition, innovation that brings together cleansing, hydration, and a luxurious sensorial experience, the new Royal Jelly Rose Gold 5-in-1 Micellar Water. This was created especially to celebrate Mother's Day. This special edition delivers effortless cleansing with an elegant touch of rose for the skin that feels instantly refreshed, soft, and luminous. And I know, I've gotten so many comments already that we want it. Everybody wants it to be able to be purchased individually. But this month, we really wanted to give the Royal Jelly platform in general, which is always super successful for Mother's Day, an extra special touch with this Rose Gold special edition. So let me know in the comments, let Moni know in other trainings, whenever you guys need, if this is a success, if you need it, if we have to have it, because of course, you know, Maria and I are always open to bringing products in, keeping them, bringing them back. We just need to get your feedback first. We wanted to make the Royal Jelly, our queen bee, that's on our cover, which I absolutely adore this cover. We wanted to make this extra, extra special. So we gave this as a free gift with your Choose 3 offer. So, Rose Gold, what is it? This is more than just a micellar water. It's a limited edition royal jelly innovation designed to bring the power of immediate hydration into a fresh and elevated cleansing experience. Because as we know, our royal jelly isn't a ritual. Our royal jelly is a collection because it's not necessarily a step 1, step 2, step 3 in the way that a Defy or a Revitalize would be, but it is a collection of different things. But what the one product that we were missing in the collection was some sort of cleansing something. So that is where we said, you know what? Let's try a micellar water in a special edition rose gold, not only to celebrate Mother's Day, but to also celebrate 70 years of JAFRA skincare and our legacy of skincare that really did start with our royal jelly. So this is the perfect story for clients who love skincare that feels effective, beautiful, and of course, gift worthy, because this is the beautiful gift with that big royal jelly set this month. So speaking of legacy, since 1957, 1956, JAFRA has perfected the art of royal jelly skincare. Rose Gold reimagines that iconic heritage through a modern, luminous sensorial experience that leaves skin looking hydrated, radiant, and beautifully refreshed. It's everything clients already love about royal jelly, now with a fresh rose-inspired twist, which, if you have the product already, it is an incredible scent. And it is, when we say rose, we're not talking, you know, super floral, like you're holding a bouquet of roses in your face. No, it is this like delicate, luxurious, just really elegant, just nice scent. It's so delicate. I love it so much. It really brings a sort of uplifted experience to this micellar water. So let's watch this video. This was the video we showed in the beginning, which shout out to Moni and team because it is incredible. Moni, talk to us a little bit about this video, how you guys made it. Is it available for them to upload now? Give us the details on this video.
We did have fun, Mayam, with the team making this video for our consultants because although our team works really hard on taking those beautiful pictures for your brochure, sometimes that catches the attention of the consumer is to really see the product in action. Whether you create a reel, whether you do a tutorial on how to use it, but videos have more views than just a picture. It is available for our consultants in our YouTube channel. You can share it in your social media when you're sending the offer to your clients. And another thing that we're working with the team Mayam is that when the consumers, the consultants and clients go to the website, we're trying to add short clips of how the product actually looks on texture, rather than just, pictures. So I hope that you guys are loving those tools that we're adding to the website, to the social media. So share, share, share.
I love that. Thank you, Moni. Thank you, team, for doing that, because as Moni said, when you're on social media, it is a proven track record that moving images or videos or reels always outperform just static images. And even though the visuals in the client brochure this month are absolutely beautiful and they're so stunning, a video is always going to bring something to the next level. And this video specifically I love because you just immediately feel refreshed. Like everything this does and everything's going to make your skin feel, you almost feel it through the video because you've got all the splashes of water, you've got all the hydration. So I think it's an excellent way of elevating not only the incredible offer and the incredible images in your client brochure, but just bringing this to life. Because obviously, if you're selling through a brochure and you don't have the actual product, a video is the next best thing to let your client know what it's going to look like, how it's going to make them feel. So I love, love, love that. So talking about technology, social media, what is this micellar technology that's in here? Excuse me. So this micellar technology works like a magnet. It lifts away makeup, impurities, and daily residue with no harsh rubbing. It's super lightweight, got a watery texture that gently cleanses while leaving skin feeling hydrated and refreshed with no rinsing required. So it's the perfect as the first step in both morning and evening skincare routine. So this is especially great for this time of year. We're entering spring. It's starting to get kind of muggy and hot in a lot of places in the US. And while we're out and about, you don't always have the opportunity, obviously, to stop into a bathroom and wash your face with your traditional cleanser. So this is a great product to keep with you on the go. Throw it in your gym bag, keep it in your purse, keep it on a backpack, because if you're in the middle of a muggy day and you're like, oh man, I just wish that I could just refresh my skin really quickly, or I've been sweating and I just need a little lift, or your skin can, midday like slog and you're like, oh, I look a little dull, I need a little boost. This product is going to help you get that, and it's going to instantly elevate your skincare routine, even on the go. And then in the evening, it really can act like a 2-in-1 double cleansing sort of moment, which we'll talk about in a second. But it is called a 5-in-1 for a reason. So let's talk about what those 5 benefits are. So it makes this even easier to sell because it's got those 5-in-1 benefits. So in one simple step, so with one pass, it's going to cleanse, it's going to remove any makeup, it's going to hydrate, it's going to tone, and it's going to illuminate your skin. So it is ideal for busy clients who want simple routines with visible JAFRA glow results. So even if you're not a big makeup wearer, again, it's spring and summertime, we're outdoors more often. We should be wearing SPF every single day, no matter if you're in or out. But this is really SPF season. People are out and about. They're going to sporting events. They're going to the beach. They're going to parks. They're going to do all of these outdoor events, which means even if you're not wearing makeup, SPF, you should be reapplying every couple hours. So therefore, you're going to have this sort of like layer out on your skin that does feel a little bit heavy at the end of the day if you're applying your SPF properly. So this product is going to help remove that first layer of kind of like that you have on your skin after a long day, to start your skin even better off for your next step, which could either be another cleanser, or if you're using this as sort of a toner, you cleanse with your traditional cleanser first, you go in with your tone, and then you can start the next phase of your skincare routine, really confident that your skin is as clean as possible to make sure that all of our other JAFRA treatments and our serums and all that good stuff can easily penetrate the skin. So a great day or night product, great for on the go, great for refreshing, or great for double cleansing. Product highlights. What are we telling our clients? What are the quick things that are going to sell them on this product? Why they need to have it? So suitable for all skin types. Super, super important, because one of the first questions that I get asked when we're introducing a new skincare line or new skincare product is, what type of skin does this suit? And you can be confident that this suits all skincare types. Like we just spoke, it effectively removes impurities and makeup. Again, you've got your super glam girlies that always have foundation on. And I know that sometimes when you do have a thicker foundation or just any foundation on your skin, sometimes that double cleanse really comes in super handy to be able to get your skin really, really squeaky clean, to make sure that we're not having any acne issues or any wrinkles or any of that nasty stuff that we don't want, that comes as a consequence of sometimes leaving stuff on our skin. It leaves the skin looking fresh and radiant. clinically and dermatologist tested. So that's huge because again, people are very, very skeptical or not as open sometimes to trying a new skincare product because they could have sensitive skin, because they've had bad experiences in the past. But we can be confident when we're selling to our clients, because this is dermatologist tested and suitable for all skin types, that it is not going to irritate. It should not have any bad reactions. It is just going to absolutely hydrate and illuminate and tone your skin. So that is something that is very big and might actually be the first thing to open with. This is dermatologist tested and it's suitable for all skin types. Everything else is just a super bonus. And then it's got this incredible gentle formula with royal jelly, our queen bee, of course, and this incredible delicate scent of rose lani. So we'll talk a little bit about that, what that is and how it's so exclusive and where it's cultivated from, because it's very, very fancy. But again, the second that you open this, it smells insane, but it's not overwhelming. I don't think it's a scent that would put somebody off from trying it, because I know a lot of people also are worried about fragrance irritating their skin. But because this is so delicate, and again, dermatologist tested for all skin types, we can be sure that this is not going to cause any sort of breakouts or irritation on somebody's skin. It shouldn't, at least. Obviously, we always recommend patch testing on new clients, on new skin, just to ensure there's no irritation. But we are confident with this product that everybody, no matter their skin type, is going to love it. So this is really the kind of product that clients should immediately fall in love with after just one demo. So speaking of our Rosa Lani, or Rose Lani, this is the heart of what this special edition is all about. It's an exclusive rose sourced from the fertile soils of Moldova, which is really fancy if you ask me. So you're not going to find this rose in California. You're not going to find this rose in Spain. This is a specific rose cultivated and found in Moldova. So that is super, super fancy. Just another tidbit, another sort of client opening selling line, because you're going to be getting luxury and exclusivity and things that you're not going to find anywhere else besides JAFRA. So this scent profile feels really modern, super fresh and luminous, and it evolves into a soft petal note with a comforting tea and hay warmth. So a rose tea, think of a tea house, think of just the most gentle, like rose scent you can actually imagine. And it's almost like a watery rose petal. It smells very fresh. Like, you'll see when you smell it, like, you know what I'm talking about. Because I kind of sound like a lunatic right now. Like, how can a rose smell wet? But when you smell it, you're going to get what I'm talking about. So it really does turn a simple cleansing step into a really luxurious skincare moment for you. And speaking of luxury, as you guys all know, obviously all of our fragrances, we work with the best fragrance houses in the world, and which means the best perfumers in the world come behind those best fragrance houses. And I'm talking, these fragrance houses are working with massive, massive brands like Chanel, like Dior, like Saint Laurent. All of these massive fragrances that you're seeing in your big department stores, we work with them as well, which brings me to our perfumer. So this beautiful fragrance was created by our lovely perfumer, Lisa Montez, who captured the essence of the Rosa Lani through emotion, light, and elegance. I'm telling you, the second you open it, all three of those adjectives, you immediately feel it. Her storytelling roots make this product especially easy to share with clients who connect with beauty through experience, emotion, and gifting moments. So as it says here, she was inspired by the gardens of her grandmother. So she captured this rose scent thinking of her grandmother, which I love because, again, this is really an exclusive Mother's Day gift. So think of all of the moms in your life, or all of the women that are motherly types in our life. So that could even be a teacher, it could be a coach, it could be your best friend, it could be godmother. So anyone that you see as a motherly figure, this was especially thought of for them. So now, how do we use it? And it's super simple, not very complicated at all. Simply apply onto a cotton pad and gently just sweep it across your face. Easy as that. It removes makeup, and it removes impurities, and it removes residue without needing to rinse. So again, if you're on the go, if it's a hot day and you just need a little bit of a refresh, but you don't want to irritate your skin, this is the product to have with you, and you don't need to rinse it off. It is recommended as the first step in a skincare routine, morning and night, and for even better results, pair it with a double cleanse approach. So what I love about this, if you're not super sweaty, or if you just need to do a cleanse at night and you just want to get that extra clean, I would use it as a secondary step. So I would cleanse with my traditional cleanser first, be it our Defy, Revitalize, BioLab, which is my personal favorite. And then I'd go in with this to just get that double cleanse. If I had makeup on, or if I was out and about sweaty, and if I was out and about with a ton of sunscreen on, I would use this first as a first cleanse to sort of get all of that zhuzh off of my face, and then go in with my cleanser to get an extra deep clean. So it really just depends. Doesn't matter either way. Double cleansing, though, is an incredible way to make sure that your skin is squeaky, squeaky clean. And that way, all of your next steps, all of your treatment products can penetrate the skin and do what they need to do, because your skin is nice and clean and has a perfect barrier to get all of those benefits in. And this is where the storytelling opportunity becomes so exciting, and the selling opportunity. Because during April, as we spoke, the Royal Jelly Luxuries 3 for $109 offer, which is an absolute steal, by the way, because it's a no limit. So if you do the math, you can get, you're basically, I made a joke earlier in the Spanish version of this, that we basically are robbing the house. Like, this 3 for $109 offer is a hoot, it's a steal, you're robbing me blind. So you're getting 3 for $109, and this automatically includes the 5-in-1 micellar water. So if you, every offer that you buy comes with one of these. So if you buy 2 of them, you get 2 micellar water. So every 3 for $109 comes with your micellar water. It is a perfect gift to demo, Mother's Day gift. It opens conversations. It's an easy add-on basket building. So just demo it, share it, sell it. And of course, we, as you guys always know, Maria and I are always open. If you're seeing that your clients are absolutely loving it, you gotta have it. We gotta put it on promotion again individually to get your hands on it. Let us know. Of course, we are super open to that. We just wanted to make our Royal Jelly offer, which is our Queen Bee. It's always an incredible offer for Mother's Day, that much more special by adding a really exclusive gift thought for, made for by all of our beautiful motherly figures in our lives. So that is what I have for you guys. Moni, do we have any comments, any questions, any gossip, any hot goss in the chats for me, or are we good to go?
We're good to go. I see that we have Norma and Lola. They haven't made a comment, but if you're catching the replay or later, you guys have any questions, let us know in the chat and I'll go ahead and connect with Mayam. And I just can't, like, honestly, Mayam, when I was doing the math, I'm like, our VIPs that have that 50% plus no limit is like, you can get 3 products of your choice. You know, like if you want to get the 3 body milks, you can, or if you want to do 1 of each. I was like, was this an error? But no,
no, it was intentional. We wanted to make our Royal Jelly platform the absolute queen bee of the brochure, because Royal Jelly is our queen bee and we are celebrating all the queen bees in everybody's life this month. So we said, you know what, let them have what they want, give them everything, give them the whole house. So and the body milk's in there, which I've had a ton of people ask me about the body milk. She's back, she's part of our regular line. You will see her in our upcoming catalog. But if you need it, you got it. Like Moni said, you could buy 3 Milk Bomb advances if you want. You can get 1 of each. You can get 2 and 1, however you want to do it. But just know that whatever you choose, this guy's coming in your box with it. So incredible offer, incredible gift, incredible multiple gifts. Because if you get 3 of something and you want to distribute them as individual gifts, that's also a really great way to, you know, maximize on your savings for giftables. Something you can share with your clients as well. It's like, oh, this might be a little bit pricey, but $109 can get you 3 or 4 specific gifts, or 3 gifts for somebody else and 1 gift for you for this Mother's Day season. So thank you guys so much for joining me. And like Moni said, leave any comments, questions, concerns, anything, any hot gossip in the comments, and she'll get it back to me as soon as possible.
Thank you, Mayam, and we'll see you on the next one. So thank you for sharing with us today, and I hope everyone has a beautiful rest of the day. Bye, Mayam.
Bye.